Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. So you've got fiber cement siding, huh? But it's cracking. Don't sweat it. In this video, we got the lowdown on why that might be happening, and if you stick around to the end, we're gonna give you a couple tricks and tips on how you might need to repair minor and major cracks. Let's get to it. First off, let's talk about the main culprit, poor manufacturing. You see, not all fiber cement siding is created equal. Higher quality fiber cement siding, like James Hardie, has additives to combat brittleness. But lower quality stuff? Yep, that's a recipe for cracks and chips. So make sure to check with your installer before the siding is placed on your house, so you know exactly what is in your fiber cement siding. Ever heard of foundation shifting? Yeah, that's another reason your siding might be acting up. Foundation shifts can cause your siding boards to unnaturally tighten against each other, causing them to crack and break. While there is no way to combat foundation shifting, investing in more flexible, high-quality fiber cement siding ensures your siding will last and protect your home. Next up, we've got improper installation. You know, like when you try to assemble furniture from IKEA and end up with a bunch of parts left over? Yeah, it's kind of like that. Some common installation mistakes include if the boards are installed too closely together, this can cause them to buckle and crack against each other. If the boards are nailed improperly, such as too close to the edge of the board, this can cause the board's ends to chip off or cause cracks. If the wrong nails are used, the siding will not be properly secured to your home, causing it to fall off or crack from other external elements. No matter the quality of siding you invest in, proper installation is crucial to the overall success and longevity of your new siding. And finally, impact damage. Sometimes Mother Nature just decides to throw a curveball at us and we're just in her way. Higher quality fiber cement siding is made to not crack and withstand general impact. Obviously though, if you hit your siding with a baseball bat, it's gonna crack. However, if your siding is cracked after a recent hailstorm or high winds, or you notice a large tree branch consistently scraping the side of your home, this is most likely the cause of your cracked siding. Now you know 4 reasons why your fiber cement siding might be cracking. So what's the fix? Well, for minor cracks, you could be in luck. Just a little bit of caulk and paint touch-ups, your siding might be back in business. But for major cracks, unfortunately, you might need a full-on siding replacement or repair, depending on the extent of the damage. If you aren't sure the extent of the damage, you might want to get with a professional in your area to see what they suggest. Before you reach out, you might want some tips on how to find a contractor you can trust. Check out this article linked above that outlines 10 questions to ask a siding company during a consultation. And if you're in the San Antonio area, make sure you give Southwest Exteriors a call so we can answer all of your questions about your fiber cement siding. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.